Well, you guys, thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I am Gray Shot Down, this time behind the wheel, doing a solo drive, testing out some new equipment, trying to see if I can do a couple of full self-driving drives for y'all without the drone in the air, in case I need to do an independent drive if Tesla decides to release some new software. If you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Obviously, we will keep the Wilson videos coming at you. This is just me trying something a little different. There was a bit of a cut there on the asphalt, so that's why I took over. I didn't want to pop the tire going across the turn like that, so that's why I disengaged and took over there. It's going to be interesting to see how the car handles the left-hand turn onto Hildebrand. Coming up here at 1.5 miles. It has been pretty stubborn to get into the left turn lane on these builds. This is the left-hand turn that it struggles with. I'll let it struggle for a little bit, but I do have some traffic coming up on me. So it needs to start entering here, and what it does is it hesitates and then enters here, which is fine, but it actually needs to be one more lane over, which it's doing at a very awkward time. It could have done it way sooner. We're making the light, which is good. No intervention today. I usually have to intervene at that first hesitancy back there. Not sure why it stops here. There is no need to stop here. Again, if you guys are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this crazy YouTube algorithm. I am Gray Shot down on the, not on the sticks, behind the wheel this time. Doing a solo drive. This has been Tesla's full self-driving 11.4.4 software. Pretty smooth drive. A couple of issues, but nothing, as you can see in the video, too insane. It's been very nice, very comfortable. And I'll take over and manually drive as we reach our final destination here.